I realized that it takes time to create the woman I plan to be. How are you feeling this morning? It is another beautiful day. Today, I'm going to speak with you about it takes time to care for me. Yeah, acknowledge that to yourself. When you receive a compliment and somebody says to you, "How are you doing? How old are you?" Or "You do not look your age," or "You're looking really good. Have you lost weight?" Accept the compliment with "Thank you very much." That's what we all have to do. Accept the compliment and say "Thank you" with a smile. And then sometimes they're going to follow that with another question. What do you do for yourself every day? If you were to ask me this question, I would say it takes a lot of time to take care of me. And it should take time to care for you. No matter whether you're a man or a woman, or you're 20 or 82, you require to take the time to care for you. That's the only thing you have to do for you. And sometimes we neglect ourselves because we're so involved in taking care of the world. And when we do that, we expect the world to reciprocate in kind, to take care of us the same way we took care of them. And that's not good. That's not right. To expect others to behave the way you do. It's all about how you behave concerning yourself. If you have decided that it does not require any time to take care of you, but you are going to give your heart, soul, mind, and body to take care of others, then that's a choice you make. But in turn, when you require taking care of, and they are not able to do what you desire them to do because you did it for them, nor you want to be reciprocal, that is expecting others to be you. And really, your real purpose on this earth is to make sure that you take care of yourself and you take time to give yourself what you desire. And this is what this video is all about. Too many times I meet people that sometimes in their 20s and all through to my age and older, who are still lamenting about what they did for others and no one is showing up for them. What you did for others was a choice you made to show up for them. And what they're doing is a choice they've made to do what they desire to do for themselves, and that should be okay with you. But I am here to say it doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. It's really your job to change, shift your paradigm, and decide that I am worthy, and yes, it's going to take time to take care of me. One of the ways that we can begin to do that is to see ourselves worthy. A little tip for you. Pause in the mirror for 20 seconds and look at yourself, look at your eye, and talk about what you are going to do to take care of this person that you are. It's going to be challenging. If you want to practice to see how long that is, decide to wash your hands. Set a timer for 21 minutes and start washing your hand for 21 minutes. And you will see how long it is. But a simple thing as washing our hand, we do not do it for us. But we're going to make sure the young people wash your hand really well. We're going to put that pressure on them to wash their hand. Try it. That's taking care of you. So can you imagine you speak power to your soul by looking through your eye and saying, I am going to take care of me starting now. Listen to, the other areas that are coming up for that. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. Our language is the first indicator that we do not believe that it takes time to care for ourselves. I have heard some of my friends, when they're talking with me and they're going to change into something else than what they're wearing. I have one friend who always says this: I'm going to throw some clothes at me. The mere thought of throwing things at yourself seems like you don't care. You're not valued. You're not respecting you. You're not honoring you. And there you are, speaking the worst words. I'm going to throw something at me. But you wouldn't do that to your children, your grandchildren, or your significant other, would you? I taught that to one of the young ladies I coached. And I saw it in action from her words when she said something to me. She was in her brother's car. She had loaned him some money and they were fine going to lunch, and he said, oh, and as he's driving, he tossed the bills in her lap. And she put her hands up. She said, whoa, don't do that. Take it up. Hand it to me. I deserve you to hand it to me. Her brother looked at her, picked it up, and said, wow, you have changed. And he gave it to her in her hand. She said, yes, I realized that it takes time to create the woman I plan to be. Lesson well taught. And she used it because she had embedded it in her mind. It takes time to take care of me emotionally. That was an emotional reaction. And it was his attitude. So do not throw things at yourself, your clothes. Do not say if you're hungry, you're going to scrunch to find something to eat. You're not an animal. You're not a raccoon. You do not have to go scrunching in the garbage. Use words that are impeccable and exquisite when you talk about yourself. Yes, it takes time to take care of me. So you're out of the shower. Go in 5 minutes earlier so you could spend 5 minutes more just enjoying the water, saturating your entire body. Take your time to apply the soap or the gel to your body. Enjoy taking care of you. It takes time to have you looking your best when you step up into the world. You are not old and ragged. You should not be thinking of yourself like that. Applying cream to your body. Nowadays, men do it too, you know. Take your time. You're worthy to take time to care for you. Apply the creams purposely, intentionally, in a particular way that brings joy. Cream your feet, your elbows, your knees. Apply it. Do not just jump from the shower, barely dry yourself and jump into clothes and it's rumpled and it doesn't look nice. Always complete in your mind. It takes time to take care of me, and then give it the time to take care of you. You're worthy. You're worthy of the best, and you need to give yourself the best. We so often give the best to those we love and cherish, and even those we don't like, but we believe we should give them the best because it's the good thing to do. What about you? Do you love you? Are you going to do the best for you? Eating. How do you chew? Do you savor the food in your mouth? Do you let the taste saturate your senses? Or you just gobble like you're a cowboy on a horse? Pushing the food, holding the rein, and come on. You're worthy to spend more time to care for you. Feeding yourself, eating is caring for you. If you're feeding a child or someone who is not able to feed themselves, would you just push it in, or would you wait for them to chew and swallow before you give them the next? So my message in this video to you is this: take time to honor yourself, to care for yourself, the same way you take the time to care for others, because you behave better when people are looking at you. So why not believe your inner self is looking at how you treat the outer self, and you want it to say, bravo, well done, friend, you're taking care of us in the best possible way. Thank you for listening, and have an absolutely an amazing day. See you next time.